Today we will boil celery corn soup. This soup tastes with vegetables sweetness. It's delicious. Celery peel off fiber and cubes. Sliced corn and onion. Add corn and onion and put it into boiling. After boiled, add in celery. Season with chicken cubes and pepper. Then cook for 2 minutes. Garnish with celery leaves and the soup is done. Yummy! This soup is easy and tasty, a soup you must try at home. Share this recipe with your friends and family, they will love it too. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. Today we will boil enoki mushroom egg stew. Wash enoki mushroom, drain and hand break separate enoki mushrooms. Crack eggs into bowl, then beat until frothy. Cubes carrot and sliced onion. Stir fry anchovies until aromatic. Add onion. Add 1 bowl hot boiling water. Add carrot cubes. Let it cook for 2 minutes in medium flame. Season with chicken cube, salt and pepper powder to taste. Add enoki mushrooms. Add vegetable. Slowly pour in egg liquid. Don't stir and let the egg form. Enoki mushroom egg soup is done. This soup tastes light with vegetable sweetness. A soup you must try. Let's make cabbage omelette today. Ingredients are cabbage and eggs. Sliced cabbage. Crack eggs into bowl. Season with salt and pepper powder, then beat until frothy. Stir-fry cabbage. I like it square. You may keep it as it is in round shape. flipped and let it fried for another 1 minute. Cabbage omelet is done. Quick and easy recipe. This omelet comes with crunchy cabbage taste on every bite. It's delicious. Give it a try, it's yummy. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. Don't miss the next recipe, yeah. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.